We'll guide you through how to compare ChatGPT versus Stockfish, two powerful tools in their respective fields. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the OpenAI website to access ChatGPT. Make sure you have an account and are logged in. Once you're in, you can start a conversation with ChatGPT by typing in your chess-related questions or scenarios. ChatGPT can assist with general strategy, historical context, and explaining complex concepts in chess. It's great for learning and understanding the broader aspects of the game. Next, open a new tab and go to a chess platform like Lichess or chess.com, where Stockfish is integrated. Stockfish excels at providing precise, tactical analysis of specific positions. You can input your chess moves into the analysis board, and Stockfish will offer optimal move suggestions and evaluate positions with numerical scores. To compare both tools effectively, you can present the same chess scenario to ChatGPT and then to Stockfish. Observe how ChatGPT gives you a narrative and strategic insight, while Stockfish focuses on move-by-move calculations. Use these insights to enhance both your strategic thinking and tactical skills in chess. Remember, ChatGPT is more about the whys and hows of chess, whereas Stockfish is about the whats and whens. Together, they offer a comprehensive way to improve your game. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.